Hi, and welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Lokesh and I'm part of the OnceHub support team. In this video, I will show you how to configure session types in your booking calendars and explain the difference between single, group, and concurrent sessions so you can choose the best option for your scheduling needs. Let's start with how to configure this in OnceHub. Log into your OnceHub account, then go to Booking Calendars from the left-hand sidebar. Next, from the list of the booking calendar, select the one that you want to edit. Scroll to session types, and here you will be able to select the session type that you want to offer via this booking calendar. You can choose from single session, a group session, or a concurrent session. Once you have done the changes, click on save at the bottom. Now let's take a closer look at each session type. About single sessions. Single session allow one booking per host per time slot. This is ideal for one-on-one meetings such as sales call, coaching sessions, demos, or product trainings, where each guest has a dedicated meeting with the host. About the group sessions. Group session allow multiple guests to book the same meeting at a shared location or a virtual link. You can set a capacity limit of up to 500 guests, and once that limit is reached, the time slot is automatically removed from the availability. Each guest still gets their own calendar event, preserving their individual booking details. All participants join using one meeting link or the same physical location. If multiple locations are offered, the first guest who books determines the meeting location, and that location is locked for everyone else who joins the session. Group sessions are ideal for webinar, workshop, or group training, group interviews, and customer onboarding sessions where multiple participants attend the same event. The third is concurrent session. About this, the concurrent session allow multiple guests to book independent meetings during the same time slot with the same host. Think of this as a planned overbooking designed to help high volume teams make the most of their calendar availability. You can set the maximum number of bookings per time slot, and each guest receives their own separate booking and calendar event. Overlaps only apply to bookings made through the same booking calendar, while busy time in your connected calendar is still respected to prevent unexpected conflicts. Concurrent session work well for scenarios like sales team managing no-shows, advisors or doctors meeting guests sequentially in a queue, or business conducting multiple interviews during the same time window. An important note, if you change your session type or other booking calendar settings after bookings have already been made, any partially booked time slot will become unavailable for new attendees. This helps prevent conflict between your previous and updated configurations. And that's it. You now know how to configure single, group, and concurrent sessions in your booking calendars and when to use each one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next OnceHub tutorial.